The Faculty Alert Form is our way of getting information about students from faculty to mid-mentors in the event that a student needs assistance through the college's support services or with something academic like non-attendance or assignment completion. The Faculty Alert Form block will be on the right-hand side of the course. To use the Faculty Alert Form, select the student from the drop-down. With a student selected, a jot form will populate that you will fill out to communicate the concern or need you have for the student. Once submitted, the mid-mentors will receive the notification and reach out to the student. Also, you, as the instructor, will receive an email confirmation. One thing I want to share about the Faculty Alert Form is that it has an option to submit a kudo or a great job to students if you want to throw out a little positivity during the semester. Again, this will be sent to the mid-mentors who will communicate it to the student, but they will get the note nonetheless. If you have any further questions about the Faculty Alert Form, reach out to the Office of Online and Distance Learning.